Welcome to another unboxing video for Kawaii Box. This one is May. Let's open this right away. I'll put it on the bottom. Okay, first thing. Get a free Kawaii gift with any purchase using code KAWAII5. And then there's cute little pastel items that you can buy on the Bluebo website. Free shipping worldwide. Next is the pamphlet. Upside down. Let's see, yes, May 2021. Happy birthday, Kawaii Box. Oh, happy birthday. Cute. I want that dress. And I want everything. And then there's the kawaii fans on the back, always cute. And then, what? Spoilers. Okay, next. This the other way. Oh, notepad. Little notepad. Look at the angels. They remind me of Tamagotchi because they have like different colors and Yoicho Maru friends. Oh, there's a little weird smudge on it. Okay. Oh, it's clear. That's why it's so shiny. And then cute little thingy. Kind of reminds me of also Katamari Damacy for a little bit. Oh, the cuteness. Oh, it changes like halfway. It looks like this. Cute. Which one's my favorite? Oh, there's a shark. I like the shark guy. Boop, right there. Next is going to be a pen. Ah, my melody. Today is Sanrio themed. Gudetama. Also, backpack. If you like it, I got it on the sanrio.com website. Yeah, I'm actually wearing this backwards because I wanted this to be in the front so I could wear my backpack. And yeah, pen. Oh, my melody. So cute. She has a birthday present also on the back. So happy birthday. Next. Oh, cute little pins that I can wear in my Ida bag once I get it eventually. It's a Kickstarter, so it might take like a few months before I get it. Yeah, so cute. Cure Flamingo. Cute. Her hair changes colors. Next one, this box. Oh, it's Kuma, a bear. Shirokuma, yeah, white bear, Shirokuma. Okay, I think this might be like a pin. Let's open it together. I'm so curious. Oh, here on the bottom, pull it. I want the dinosaur. I wonder if like it's one of these three options only in this box or if there's more. There's like characters hiding everywhere. Okay, so I wanted this. It looks like a little backpack. Open. And then I'm gonna open. Oh! It's candy. And there is a little cute little thing. Look, ice cream, nickel, kitty cat. Oh, there's another one. More candy. Oh, there's three. Yeah. Tonkatsu and little shrimpy. And another ice cream nickel. cute. Oh, candy. Need it for work. And this, maybe they're stickers. I'm not sure. They look cute enough to go in a Nita bag. Sumiko Gurashi ice cream. Cute. How do you like it? What? Doraemon. A wallet? To put your cards and stuff. Let's open it. It feels like an inflatable toy or inflatable book, but I don't think you can inflate this. Let's put maybe your passport and cards or little documents for traveling, maybe to the beach. Oh, but cute. Doraemon. He's like torque, 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 torque. Wow. Pencil. And it has cute little bunnies on it. Yeah, little buttons and balloons. Cute. I really need a pencil case. Oh, and look, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it's like rainbow inside. So like when we're going to use the sharpener, it'll be rainbow. That's cool. Can't wait to try that one out. Okay, let's see if there's something else. Yes, stickers, stickers. Yeah, stickers. Fruity, fruity, cheater. Fruity, fruity, cheater. Cute little pastel colored stickers. It's like a little bear, and like a bunny and a bear, treasure box, the little lady. There's even like a little, kind of like a moon wand there on the right. Cute stickers. I got stickers aplenty. Yeah, I think I have only one thing left. Yes. What is this? It's big. It looks like a towel. Is it a beach day? A towel, guys. Ah! Look at this towel. Ah! Wow, amazing. This is so cool. I'm gonna be ready to go to the beach and picnic with my friends. Like with a water bottle and towel and kawaii bracelets and hair accessories. Wow. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, what's my favorite thing? I'm really impressed by the towel. Very, very cute, and I love it, and I can like use it to like take a nap or go to the beach. It's cute. And yeah, everything is amazing. Thank you. So if you're wondering, yes, this comes from Kawaii Box. This comes from Sanrio.com. 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 Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like it. And there will be more. Thank you. Peace. Wear your mask. Be safe. Hopefully it's almost over. We're in this together, okay? Yay.